Hey man, welcome back to another video, man. Right now we headed to Chipotle. Actually, my first time eating Chipotle ever. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a mukbang or something when I get back home. I don't even know what's good over there, but hey, we're gonna see. Yes sir, we secured the bag. Got the Chipotle, man. I'm gonna catch y'all at the house, man, when I'm about to smash this shit. I'ma catch y'all at the house, man. Yes sir, we back at home with it, man. You know what I'm saying? Got the Chipotle, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to do y'all little mukbang with us today. Yeah. Today we got shit. It's really my first time trying Chipotle, man. Yeah, all I really got was the burrito, man. Yeah. Yeah, let's see what this shit working with, bitch. I don't know, man. Might get a napkin or something. Damn, this shit fat. Woo. Gotta pray first, man. Amen. Feel me? Yes, sir. Hold on, man. Y'all can't even see this shit, bro. Oh, man, this is what we working with, man. Look at this thing. This shit is fat as hell, bro. God damn, we got some chicken. You know what I'm saying? Chicken burrito. We got some beans, brown rice. You know, all that good stuff, man. But hey, it's my first time eating Chipotle, man. Let's see how it goes. Damn, that shit tough. God damn. Damn. This shit. Hold on. Why y'all don't ever boost Chipotle up like y'all do Chick-fil-A, man? That shit busting. What? That shit busting, bro. God damn. Hey, man. I really wanted to talk to y'all about, like, you know, I know I've been going for a little while, man. You know, where I come from, Newport News, Virginia. It's just, I can't find any content out here, man. You know, I ain't really feeling it out here, man. Been here my whole life, and it's like, it's bland, it's boring out here, man. You feel me? I need some ideas. I need y'all to comment down below. Comment down below some ideas that I could like upload, cause I'm completely out of ideas, man. I don't have anything besides like probably mukbangs like this or vlogs. I don't know what to vlog either, man. You know what I mean? So y'all gonna have to tell me what y'all want. I wanted to say I apologize for not uploading for a little while, man. You know I might go out today, upload another video, or record another video, not upload it yet, but you know, might go out there, maybe record a basketball video for something. You know, I'm not a hooper, but hey, gotta do it for the content, you feel me? Hey, god damn, look at this shit, bro. You want a bite? Yeah, you want a bite? You sure? No? Alright. Damn, I'm dropping some on my floor and shit. God damn. Now, I don't know what to talk about though. Like, this is so weird. I'm really just talking to myself. Like I say in every single video, I hope y'all doing alright. I hope y'all healthy, safe, eating good. Oh man, taking care of yourself. Staying blessed, you know what I mean? Stay out the way, get money, you feel me? Just keep doing you. Hope y'all ain't struggling. I mean, we all go through struggle, but you know, at the end of the day, you gotta find a way. You feel me? I'm just talking right now, but hey, seriously, man. I hope y'all taking good care of yourselves. You know, mental health before anything. Also, another reason why I haven't been uploading, man. I've been trying to go outside and vlog for y'all, but weather has been ass, bro. It's been ass, bro. Like, it's been fucking raining, windy. Just raining and windy, bro. Literally all day, bro. I can't do nothing. I mean, I could deal with wind, but like the rain is crazy, bro. Cause I record on my phone, bro, and I'm not trying to get my phone wet, bro. So, plus I'm not trying to get this mic wet either. But you know, this burrito is hitting though right now. You know, the bev, water, of course, Aquafina. Damn, that shit good. But nah, man. I really want to go out to like Miami, Florida, ATL. You know, anywhere but here. Like I need some content. I'm not really liking it. I really have no ideas, no cameraman, no nothing, man. I gotta do everything by myself. That's the thing about doing IRL content, man. Gotta be prepared, bro. Me out. Maybe should I do reactions or something? I don't know. I need a whole laptop and stuff for that. I gotta get a lot of equipment and stuff for that. So, no. I don't know. I don't know what to do next. But like I said, just hanging there with me, man. You know, I'ma try to get this content out for y'all, man. I'ma try my best, bro. And hopefully y'all support me, man. You know what I mean? Hopefully y'all keep supporting me, man. You know what I'm saying? Cause I really believe I can do this. I can do it. I have potential. I know I do, man. Like, it's just I'm running low on ideas, bro. I got nothing running up here, man. No ideas. So, yeah, I'm gonna keep this short and simple for y'all. You know, I don't really know what to do, bro. I really can't believe this is my first time trying Chipotle, though. Like, really, bro? This is my first time, bro. It's like, I only been eating like Chick-fil-A and McDonald's and stuff, and Burger King and stuff. You know, I ain't never ate Chipotle before, man. You feel me? Like, nobody ever told me it was this good, bro. Like, god damn, you feel me? That shit busting for real. God damn. But anyway, man, I know I'm just talking about a whole bunch of nothing right now, but, you know, I'm repeating myself a whole lot, but, hey, man, that's gonna wrap up the video, you know. Hey, hope y'all enjoyed this little mukbang, I guess, you know, not really much to talk about, really. Yeah, I hope y'all taking good care of yourself, man, and, you know, might go out and record another video later on today, so stay tuned for that. Feel me? And we out, man.